How about this? So cool. If your power goes out and you cannot find a candle, make one yourself. Matt Howerton tested this out on our social media pages. All it takes is a cup of uncooked rice, pour in some cooking oil, stick a Q-tip in the middle and light it. That's it. Yeah, don't do that, Pete.
Even that sounds too complicated for me, man.
Make sure you're following us on all of our social media platforms for more videos to help get you through the winter storm.
I need take out dead battery, put in good battery.
And make sure it's the correct way.
Yeah, the correct way, the plus and the minus line.
Yeah. Okay, let me get into this because there's a lot to talk about tonight,
Right.
okay? Let me show you this. Here we go. Let's start with the winter storm warning. Once again, it's tomorrow afternoon through Sunday morning. I don't expect in the Metroplex anything to happen until, from a frozen precip standpoint, until late tomorrow night, during the overnight, and certainly through Saturday night into Sunday morning. But power outages will be a possibility too. The extreme cold warning Saturday evening through Monday morning, Saturday night, Sunday night, wind chills, 5 to 10 degrees below zero. It is going to be really cold. Clouds are in place now. This is 7 tomorrow morning. So drizzle overnight, 7 tomorrow morning, that's light rain. See that? You know what that is, Cynthia? It's rain, but it's a pretty good shot of rain. And you know what this rain's going to do? It's going to wash away all the brine. Unfortunately, I think that's probably what's going to happen. I mean, it's a half an inch, maybe an inch of rain that'll move in. This is noon tomorrow, and it's still raining at 7 p.m. So all of that rain tomorrow morning, unfortunately, I think a lot of it will wash that brine away. So I want you to, knowing that, I want you to be really, really careful as you head out tomorrow night and certainly through the weekend. I mean, it doesn't hurt to put the brine down, even though it's probably all going to wash into the Trinity and the Brazos. It doesn't hurt to put it down. I just think the rain's going to wash it away. But I just want you to be really careful if you have to go out this weekend. And I think the way the forecast is shaping up, hopefully you've bought all the toilet paper and bread that you need. Chris, I finally figured out why people are buying all the toilet paper with the milk.
Do I need it? Do I want
They're
to know?
lactose intolerant. That's the only thing I can think of.
go.
But anyway, because it's just a 2-3 day deal, okay? It's not like you're going to be socked in the house for a month. But here's the rain at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Now watch this. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow night. It's still raining in the Metroplex, but all around the heat island of the Metroplex, this is freezing rain and sleet in pink. There's midnight. Now, it's starting to shift into the Metroplex by midnight. There's 3 o'clock in the morning. You see the Metroplex is covered up. Some rain, certainly still falling, but sleet and freezing rain at 3 a.m. There's 8 o'clock in the morning Saturday. See what I'm talking about? That's sleet and freezing rain. It's widespread. That's noon Saturday. It's still falling. A little lighter. We have a little bit of a break. This is going to come in waves as we head through the weekend. There's noon Saturday. There's 7 p.m. Saturday. See how it's starting to increase in coverage and intensity again? There's midnight Saturday night. Hey, listen, we could even see some thunder sleet, some thunder freezing rain, maybe a little bit of thunder snow. This is a pretty intense system that's just now coming on shore in Southern California. It'll make a beeline for the state of Texas, and then it'll move throughout the deep south and across the southern portion of the United States as we head through the next several days. Midnight Saturday night. There's 8 a.m. Sunday. That's snow in white. That's the freezing, the mix, the sleet and freezing rain in pink. 8 in the morning, and then it's gone. By noon, we're dry, if not sooner or earlier on Monday or on Sunday, we're certainly going to be dry. How much ice? Again, the Metroplex, 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Lower amounts in central Texas, some higher amounts out here in East Texas, and snow accumulations. Remember, it's not just snow, it's sleet and snow. 3 to 5 inches to the north of the Metroplex, and it's really, you can draw a line here along 380 from Decatur to Denton to McKinney and north. 3 to 5, isolated higher amounts. Metroplex, 2 to 4, isolated higher amounts. South of the Metroplex, 1 to 2, and then down in central Texas, around an inch or less will fall there. Now, as soon as this freezing rain and sleet starts to fall, the roads won't ice up immediately because the ground temperatures are in the 50s and 60s across the area. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but still, please plan ahead and please be careful as we head through this weekend. And it's going to be below freezing for an extended period of time. At 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I have a temperature of 47 degrees. And then temperatures will fall steadily throughout the day. They'll fall steadily throughout tomorrow night. And by 4 o'clock in the morning, late tomorrow night, early Saturday morning, we'll hit 32. And then we're going to just continue to fall throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday's high is only 22 degrees. Monday's high is only 32. We continue to stay below freezing. Finally, by Tuesday at 11 in the morning, we'll hit 33. Now, on Tuesday, we'll warm into the 40s, but that's 79 hours at or below freezing. It's not a record. The record is 1983, 295 hours. That's ridiculous. 295 hours. 5 years ago in February, we had 139 hours at or below freezing, okay, in 2021. I think if you lived here, we'll never forget that February 2021. But 79 hours for this event. My forecast tonight, it has all that in it. 47 is the low tonight. Now follow me here on this. 47 is the low tonight. That's where we start tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning at 47 degrees. We'll have a cold rain throughout the day tomorrow, a cold rain throughout the evening tomorrow, and then as temperatures continue to fall, we'll hit 32 degrees, that's the magic number, at 4 o'clock in the morning. So 32 degrees at 4 in the morning on Saturday. During the daytime hours on Saturday, temperatures will be in the 20s, and they'll continue to fall until we bottom out at 12 degrees on Sunday morning. Sunday's high is only 22. You see why we have that extreme cold warning? 9 degrees on Monday morning. We'll have wind chills 5 to 10 below zero. Monday's high is only 32. Tuesday we start at 17. So if this plays out the way I'm expecting, I'm canceling school Monday. I'm not going to rule out canceling it on Tuesday, or at least have a delayed start, because by Tuesday afternoon we warm to 45. We're back in the 30s on Wednesday and Thursday. And then brace yourself, Cynthia, 1 week from tomorrow. Watch this. It's only 10, maybe 20% right now. Friday, January 30th, there's a chance that we could have another few snow showers and snow flurries. That would be a quick little blast of snow a week from Friday, unlike the extended precip event that we're going to have here over the next several days. And then the weekend that follows that, we'll be in the 40s, and then beginning the week of Monday, February 2nd, we're in the 50s.
Well,